Blossoms 4 English Textbook Lesson 2 Major Dhyan Chand. From this lesson we shall complete the worksheets 2.1 and 2.2. The name of the lesson is Major Dhyan Chand. In the worksheet 2.1 the first Roman is read the given passage from your lesson. All the day before it had rained heavily. The entire field had become wet. But 15th August being the last day of the games, it was not possible to postpone the match any further. About 40,000 people including men and women had gathered in the hockey stadium. The match started exactly at 11 am. No team could score a goal during the first half an hour. During the 32nd minute, Roop Singh scored the first goal, hitting the ball towards the goal post from a difficult angle. In the second half of the match, the Indian team scored 3 more goals. 2 of them were scored by the captain of the Indian team, Dhyan Chand. The Germans also scored a goal. Now, complete the following words by supplying the missing letters. One has been done for you. SOLDIER soldier, ARMY army, PRACTICE practice, HOCKEY hockey, NIGHT night, MOON moon, LIGHT light moonlight, OLYMPICS Olympics, BERLIN Berlin, GERMANY Germany, VICTORY victory. Second Roman, read the given passage from your lesson. Dhyan Chand's real name was Dhyan Singh. He was a soldier in the Indian Army. He couldn't practice hockey during the day because he used to be busy on his duty as a soldier. That is why he used to practice at night in moonlight. It is believed that his coach fondly began to call him Dhyan Chand, Chand meaning moon. The name stayed with him. Saturday, 15th August 1936, it was the day of the hockey finals during the Olympic events held in Berlin, Germany. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the finals against the Indian team. They were the hosts of the Olympics and they were sure of their victory. Now fill in the blanks. The real name of Dhyan Chand was Dhyan Singh. Dhyan Chand practiced in moonlight. Meaning of the word Chand is moon. On dash the hockey finals are held on 15 August 1936. Dash were the hosts of Olympics, Germans. Next Roman, study the following table and write at least 5 sentences. One has been done for you. She was a teacher. He was a soldier. She was a player. He was a painter. He was a farmer. Next Roman, read the following words and fill in the missing letters. Now we shall write the missing letters from the given words. SOLDIER soldier, BECAUSE because, PRACTICE practice. Worksheet 2.2 First Roman, read the given paragraphs 2, 3, 4 from your lesson. Children, we have already read these paragraphs in the starting of the video. Now we shall complete the blanks. All the day before it had rained heavily. The entire field had become wet. The match started exactly at 11 am. Roop Singh scored the first goal. Second Roman in the second worksheet is study the following table and write at least 4 sentences. One has been done for you. The match started exactly at 11 am. The match started before 3 pm. The match started after the lunch. The match started late in the evening. The match started early in the morning. Thank you for watching.